Welcome to another tech tip from Poudre River Public Libraries. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use Zoom's audio. Let's get started. Click on Join Audio in the upper right corner. The icon looks like a pair of headphones. When the toolbar with the audio, video, and other icons disappears, simply tap in the middle of the tablet and the toolbar will reappear. To unmute yourself, make sure the toolbar is visible and click on the microphone icon. A red slash through the icon means it is off or muted. No red slash means you are unmuted and participants will be able to hear you. The same is true for video. A red slash through the video icon means no video is visible, while no slash means participants may be able to see you. Thank you for watching this demonstration on how to use audio on Zoom from the Poudre Libraries. To watch more tech tips, check out the Poudre Libraries playlist on YouTube or visit our website at poudrelibraries.org.